other one, I'm sorry, I conflict, pero anytime Lloyda needs present, I'm just ready to respond. Thank you for inviting me.
Yes, so I'm right here. So Joy is inviting me to for this meeting. So I just came back from East Timor for almost 5 years. I work with peacekeeping with the UN mission in East Timor. But I am a missionary by my heart. So I'm just doing tent making. So I work with the Catholic Church, the diocese, on peace building program, and now and also some climate change adaptation program, and with the UN peacekeeping.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, I'm Lauren. I'm customer from Laos. I'm a volunteer teacher in Laos.
Wow, teacher. How long have you been here?
I've been there for 2 years.
That's also a missionary work, you know?
I do. We are the same organization.
Okay.
Yeah, international games.
Yeah.
I'm Rubian from Bulacan.
From Pastor Darwin.
I'm Brother Lavi Perez of
He's the right man of Bishop Eddie Villanueva.
Executive.
Bishop Eddie Villanueva is not going to run for president, but he is running as senator.
Really?
Yeah. He has already 100 billion something.
Good luck.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon. My name is Bernadette. I was a missionary at heart and was volunteering in international teams organization with Ma'am Joy, Carolina, and Mrs. Soraya.
I'm Pastora Rose, missionary at the same time, residence pastor of LGGM in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
LGGM?
Love of God Global Mission.
Wow. Sir Hani.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Jaime Reyes. Chairman po ako ng Guardian Staff Global Warming Foundation at inimbitahan mo kami ni Miss Lisa para po pag-usapan daw namin yung tungkol sa ating klima na puro na problema. Nandito kami para sana mag-present ng kasi wala palang wifi. Siguro. Pero makikita nyo naman kami lagi sa YouTube po, saka sa Facebook. Friend mo kami ni Lisa sa Facebook kasi.
I saw their they're so active on the
Yun ang aming advocacy, kasama ko yung aking mga staff. At nandito kami para
You have a card, sir?
invitation ni Lisa. Yeah.
You have a card? So we can get in touch with them,
Yes.
Facebook.
We really have to help one.
Kasi in Northern Sama, ngayon lang kami nakaka-effect ng climate change and everything.
Wow.
Thank you.
You know what? Mayroon pa tayong mga kasali sila naman sila talaga.
Pero your email is not here. Yung Facebook, paano ba ito makakontak?
Nandiyan doon sa medyo magulo yan.
Website.
Ito plan ko. Bago pa lang.
Ako nga po pala si Ayn Pagsera. Ano po ako ni Mr. Heidi sa pag-aaral po
Tumutulong namin sa
You can type GSGWFI to any browser.
Nung hapon, Tagalog kasi dito natin. Sa Tagalog. Ako nga pala si Jimmy Hasti, missionary din ng Malaysia. Kararating ko lang din, then also volunteer in international agencies.
afternoon po. Ako po si Dante Reyes, Corporate Secretary po ng Guardians of Global Warming Foundation, at the same time official spokesperson. Ang main concern po namin right now, aside po dun sa sinasabi nating malalaking climate change problem, yun po nakatutok po kami sa Obando, Marilao, May Kawayan Rivers Recovery Program, which is our original project. Kasi kung napapansin nyo before, dineclare po ang ilog ng May Kawayan na dirtiest river in the whole world. And yet, wala pong kaming nakikitang improvement. 4 years na. Kaya lang, patuloy po kaming lumalaban, patuloy kaming nangangampanya, kaya lang in the absence of political will, nahihirapan po kami. So, I think
this is the
i-discuss natin, and this is the right group.
Yeah, this is the right group. I will share you a very amazing story why this group was started by me today. Because God has given me brain, pero sa totoo lang, I only follow God. Lahat ng sabihan ako, I always listen to people because people are always with me and I'm always with people. But when it comes to God, yun ang pinapakinggan ko po. Nasanay po akong ganun. God said, after the August 21 Global Day of Prayer for Peace in the Scarborough Shoal, it was attended by 800 people from all sectors of society as per as instructions of God. God said, you invite these people because I want all the Filipinos to be united. But just put the names kung sino yung dadalo. So, ang bilis. Yung mind ko, lahat ng gusto ni Lord. So, hindi ko kasalanan ko, binigyan namin sila invitation. They did not come. Pero yung mga hindi in-invite, they came much better. Yung hindi in-invite, tapos, okay. So, God filled up all the seats, 800 people.
Here?
No, Rockwell 10. The best venue in the Philippines is Rockwell 10. Pagka akasal ka, dyan ang venue, everybody comes. Because the Rockwell main command. So, kung sinabi ni Mrs. Lewis na, you use University of Santo Tomas, hindi pwede. Kasi parang identified siya as Catholic. Oo, ang gusto ni Lord, all sectors of society, regardless of church organization. Kasi tayo mga Pilipino, pag sinabi mo, UST, Catholic. Meron tayong ganun kaagad. Masyado tayong mabilis mag-isip ng ganun. Pero pag sinabi mo Rockwell, neutral. It's a neutral environment. And it's the #1 environment today. Or #1 atmosphere. Like mga kabataan, pag sinabi mo, punta tayo sa power tripod. Everybody wants to join, di ba? Kasi aray, sabi nila, that's the mentality. Pero si God magaling din sumabay eh. Kaya nung sinabi niya sa akin, in my office, dyan sa 25th floor, kasi I stay here sa 25th floor, I am overlooking the Pasig River. That's my view. So I always tell my guests, I have a painting na nag-iiba palagi ang content. Kasi glass walling kasi yan. So yung river na view, saka, depende, pag umuulan, kumikit lang, iba-iba ang aking view. So I love it. Ngayon, ang sabi ni Lord, after the August 21 Global Day, you dip your hand on the environmental issue. And then, I was wondering why many people who came my way, palaging taga-Bulacan. Sabi ko, bakit pala Bulacan? Bulacan, Bulacan, Bulacan. Sabi ko, Bulacan sila. Bulacan si ganito. May nag-attend ng mga meetings ko, Bulacan na naman. Why am I being surrounded with people from Bulacan? Yung pala,